Okay, so tonight for dinner, I'm gonna be making tandoori roasted chicken. But so what I did is I made a tandoori paste as a wet wrap. So I made ginger, onion, tandoori paste, a little bit of fish sauce, and turmeric, cumin a little bit, ground pepper, and then so yeah, I blend it up, put a little bit of water, and so here's the wet wrap, almost like a paste, but I add a little bit of water so it's kind of loosey a little bit. So what I do is like I just rub it, and I put I have lemongrass, so I put it inside. So what you do is just gonna rub it a little bit here, you know, let it marinate for a while, and then so give it a good rub. I have more. I have a lot here actually. See, so it'll be good inside. So what you want to do is, so when you cook the whole chicken, I'm going to be a little bit frying it. So this is the way I like it. Some people, you know, put it in an oven straight. But for me, I like to kind of stir it a little bit. You know, put it on the pan, put a little color or something, you know. So look. To stir it up a little bit, you know, when it's get hot, I flipped it and then put it in the oven. And your oven will be 350 degrees for about let's say 20 to 25 minutes. So get that nice, you hear that nice stirring. So you don't want to stir it too hot, you know.
Natarong nato yung video.
So here you can hear the searing, you can hear the sounds. That's what I like it. And then 350 into the oven, nice and hot. And then leave it there and set the timer for 25 minutes, and I'll see what happens.